Hello friends, welcome to Olymtech channel. Today we are excited to introduce our highly anticipated new product, S-Series air compressor. Join us as we explore what makes this compressor truly exceptional. Super energy saving reduced electricity cost. The entire S-Series meets Grade 1 energy efficiency standards. That means for this series, compared to many other compressors, it can consume less electricity while produce the same amount of compressed air. That can significantly cut down electricity costs. Equipped with Innovent's colorful touchscreen and inverter. Thinking of it as a smart assistant of your air compressor, it allows you to monitor and control all operation data, troubleshoot faults, and manage alarm easily on the controller panel, and can satisfy your central control requirements. Moreover, you can find out an innovative cooling design on the electronic cabinet. Fresh and clean air comes from this window with dust-proof nets, then bring out the hot air by this ducting tunnel and fan. This ensures the electronic component remains in a cool and stable environment, enhancing performance and extending service life. IP66 oil-cooled motor, enhancing durability. This motor is ideal for dusty working environments, such as woodworking, textile, and metal processing factories. Additionally, compared to air-cooled motors, the oil-cooled design delivers more stable performance in high-temperature conditions, as it is less affected by ambient temperature. Equipped with external air-oil separator, compared to the traditional design, our customer no need to bring out the separator from the oil tank. This can reduce the maintenance difficulties. Wide operating range in speed and pressure. With a loading rate ranging from 20% to 100%, the S-Series significantly reduces energy waste during low demand period. It also offers an adjustable pressure range from 6 to 10 bar, providing flexibility for a variety of industrial applications. Want to know more? Contact us right now.